Behind bars after scamming thousands of dollars from elderly residents. During the search warrant, detectives found several items, including firearms, ammunition, and $17,000 in cash. The suspect, Donte Johnson, is accused of defrauding at least 17 people who paid to participate in sweepstakes that promised winners a large amount of money. BSO detectives say he opened several fraudulent accounts to receive the funds. Johnson has since been...
People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So yo viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, people. Thank you guys for tuning in. As usual, much love and appreciation, people. So today, people, we're going to talk about Papi Don Muziq. And if you're not familiar with the name Papi Don, here's a short clip right here. So
Papi Don Muziq.
It's Joey's.
yeah, man, so that who Papi Don is, people. Or if you never familiar with the name, you hear it in various songs by different dancehall artists. He is a music producer, or so we thought. You see me, people? I don't know what's going on with all these Jamaican producers. If it's not some sort of scamming that they are into, they are doing murder. People, I don't know. I don't know what to say. But Papi Don Muziq have been arrested in the United States of America, people, for some scamming charges, people. May I tell you, these scamming things that they're doing, it's gonna catch up to them in a matter of time. Yeah, people, may I tell you, it's only a matter of time before these scamming things catch up to you. Because my thing is, people, if you are a producer and you're a voice artist, you have to just wait your turn and wait till the money roll in. It's like them want that quick money and them set out on these schemes for finesse money from elderly people who are, willing to give up life savings at a chance for a sweepstakes. You see me, people? Because these people in them old age, them I think like boom. If them get this money or sweepstake, them can help out family members, help out different relatives. You see me, people? That is their intention, or that is their thought when them hear sweepstakes. And it just turned out to be a whole scam. And this is the case with Papi Don, people. You see me? And other notable Jamaicans, like producer Andrew Blacks was one of them who was also arrested for some wire fraud charges again, people. I think that was like in 2015 or so. So these people just get greedy, like them can't wait them turn. So people, I'm getting this article from Channel 10 News in Miami, Florida, people, where it says detectives search for more victims of sweepstakes scam after an arrest in Broward County, people. It goes on to say detectives are searching for the victims of fraudsters who use the names of sweepstakes company to scam victims and offers that sound too good to be true. The Broward Sheriff's Office announced on Friday deputies arrested Donte Johnson, 25, of Plantation on Wednesday after accusing him of stealing about $300,000 from 18 seniors. A victim from Sarasota County lost about $63,000 in the scam, deputies said. You hear that, people? 25 years old, 25 years old. Donte Johnson, otherwise called Papi Don Muziq. Quick money my rush for. Probably want live them lifestyle, them high lifestyle. And I think also, people, like, for voice artists, you have to have money. You have to have some sort of cash flow. Because no artist now go just voice per year rhythm or rhythm where you buy for free. So he's looking the quick cash for get the artist them to try turn around and make some quick bucks, but he's going about it the wrong way, people. Wrong way I go about it. The article goes on to say deputies from Sarasota and Broward counties and members of the Plantation Police Department's Special Weapons and Tactics team conducted a search warrant at his home on Wednesday. They confiscated more than $17,000 in cash, ammunition, 4 firearms, and 1 stolen firearm out of Georgia. They also seized paperwork and electronic devices. And the firearms that they seized, you're looking at the screen, or you're seeing on the screen right now, people. What am I do with so much firearm? I produce music, or am I going to start war? What going? Hey, people, I know you have to have the right to protect yourself and get a licensed firearm, but with what him do, him shoot bird, where he go bird hunting, or I don't know, people. Let me know in the comment section if he's a hunter. I thought he was a producer. But goes on to say detectives believe Johnson targeted his victims with a publisher's clearinghouse scam that promised the purported winners a grand prize payoff if they first paid the taxes on their winnings. Detectives said he opened several fraudulent bank accounts to receive the funds. People, and it's the same ammo they're using all the time. These fake sweepstakes that them are talk about, oh, you win such and such millions, you just have to send certain amount of money to pay the taxes. People, don't be fooled by these scams. Because look into it, people. Look into it. If you win $1 million and a person call you from a sweepstake company, if you say you win the $1 million, but first you have to send off $20,000 before you can get your prize. Why would I want to send you $20,000 and you send me $1 million? Take the $20,000 out of the million and send me the rest. Because me never have $1 million in my bank account yet. So anything where you are going to send me is a plus. So take that out of the million. Send me the balance. Send me the difference. Me not have to send no money. Me not supposed to send no money, people. You see me? So that's what you have to take into consideration, people, when somebody say, oh, send you money or send them money for taxes. Moving up and go. But send money for taxes. So it goes on to say Johnson is facing charges of criminal use of personal information, bank fraud, and grand theft of a firearm. Sergeant Donald Prickard is asking anyone who believes they were a victim of this scam to call BSO's organized crime unit detectives, people. So a whole heap of investigation go on into this for them circle back to Papi Dan music, people. A whole heap of investigation go on. 3 different police agency was involved in this takedown. And now him under arrest and I face serious charges. Scammer them there. I never even produced that. No, sir, I don't think I even produced that. But yeah, people, Papi Dan Music have been arrested for fraud and scamming charges, people. But his face have been all over social media from this morning, people. Face all over social media, and it was breaking news coming out of Jamaica and Papi Dan Music, people. But once again, people, once I get more information on this, I will let you guys know. I will give you updates on his court appearance, his court dates, and whatever, people. Alright? Much love and appreciation from YaadAndAbroadTV. Bless up in yourself as usual, people. Much love and appreciation from the bottom of my heart. You see me, people? Bless up.